In this video, we're going to go over setting our print settings. Now, I'm going to adjust my print settings in my template. You can see I'm actively in my .dwt template file, but this is the same for any file that you go to print. To print something, I can click the drop down and select print. I more often on my keyboard will hold and press Control and tap P, and that's going to give me the same option. If you haven't printed before, or if you haven't selected the Do Not Show Me This Again, you're going to print a single sheet, and plot and print we're going to use interchangeably right now. So from the default print settings, the only things I'm going to adjust, I'm going to select C103 from the printers, and it's going to default to having 0 and 0 as my X and Y. And if I show you, it's actually cutting off my left-hand side and my bottom borderline. These look like they're two different line weights. That's just because the printer can't print that close to those edges. So I'm going to change my X and Y to 0.1 inch. And I'm going to preview just to make sure. Anytime before you print, I would suggest checking your preview, make sure everything looks good, because however it looks in your preview is exactly what it's going to look like when the paper comes out of the printer. Now, because I made changes, I'm going to click Apply to Layout. This is more specific to if you're working in your template, because remember that drawing pulls information from our template, and it'll keep those settings so you don't have to select the printer every single time. And then to press print, I just click OK. If you're setting your print settings in a drawing file, you're not going to be pulling information from that file. It's less important to click Apply to Layout, but you still can.